So let's go to the Milestone restaurant. Right on top here on the second floor, there's Milestone restaurant, and we are going to go and have dinner. So I can show you exactly what they got there, but I'm pretty sure it's very simple. We wanted to go to the Morton's Steakhouse, which is like 5 miles away from here, but we have to get our car from Ballet inside of their Marriott on the Falls. And I got the surf and turf, and it looks really good. This is their filet mignon with lobster, and the food looks so good. This is Canada by night. It doesn't get any less crazier. So those of you that want to come to Canada, here you are. Buckle up. Buckle up. If you don't come and you don't go to downtown, you probably will not see all this, but you need to go to, this is Niagara Falls actually.
Said and done for me, you'll never love me now, but you'll never know. You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You thought it's over, I'm waking alone now, not getting closure, you're feeling me. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love, don't call me. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love so blindly. You were always how you're using me, but I just had enough. And every time you said you ever wanted me, yeah. When you know we don't get along like we used to. Went along with everything you said and done for me, you'll never love me.
Alright, we are here in Niagara Falls. It's snowing.
So bad you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You thought it's over, I'm waking alone now, not getting closure, you're feeling me. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love, don't call me. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love so blindly. You got me sober, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You thought it's over, I'm waking alone now, not getting closure. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love, don't call me. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love so blindly. So done running around, I'm so done looking for love, don't call me.
Alright, so we are at Niagara Falls in Canada. It's very cold, guys. Very cold. Let's go.
Yeah, guys, I'm just so excited to come here because we haven't been to Niagara Falls in like 4 years.
Guys, it's around New Year's time, so it's very cold. This is how the bottom look like. And you go upstairs. We can quickly go upstairs and see what's happening upstairs. So this is the entrance. And I can show you guys upstairs. So here, come with upstairs. When you go upstairs, that's where I believe the grill is going to be. That's where my husband is. So this is how the top is like. This is where you get all your shopping. And look at the snow. It's a snowy, snowy day.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with
We are on the 30th floor.
Yay!
And we are excited. Let's go check it out. You see me in my video? Guys, look at this view, yo. Check it out. This is the other Marriott, but don't get it twisted. The other Marriott is a little shorter. We are on the 30th floor. This is this Marriott. And this is where you're going to see the views. Oh, the views, guys. Check it out. Come with us and check out our room. All right? Let's go. I know you guys always see us with bathing suits and mini skirts and two-piece. Today, we cold. It's like 25 degrees over here.
now. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are.
Guys, let's go check out our room. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Right over here. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, look at the falls. We are right next to the falls, guys. So I am here in Niagara Falls in our room. Okay, so we decided to come over here just for New Year's, and now I can even hear the fireworks going. So anyways, I just want to do like a quick run through of my room or our room that we have, and then I'll show you exactly what we got. But we are in Niagara Falls, and this hotel is the Marriott on the falls. So if you like it and you love it, then you can plan that with your family. Really, this is one of the places that you come and you have to have a view. And right now we have a view of the falls. Okay, you may not be able to see it very well tonight, but you'll be able to see it very clearly in the morning. So I'll show you guys that in the night view of the falls. And is the Canadian side, the horseshoe Canadian side, and there's the American side. This Marriott is actually in Canada, so we are in Canada, Niagara Falls, and so I will show you that. But we got the superior room on the 30th floor. This hotel, Marriott on the Falls, has 31 floors, and we are on the 30th floor. So we got some amazing views. So anyways, let's go. Let me show you exactly what we got. So when you open the door, we are on the 30th floor. This is where you got all your safes and your bags and everything. And then there's a little nook right here for your coffee. I will not be making any coffee, but if you dare to do that, you can do that. And then there's a little restroom right here that you can actually use, and a mirror, and a bathroom that standing shower and everything. So not bad for Marriott is Marriott, right? And so, but everything I do, there's a purpose for everything. So this is what we got. We got 2 beds, 2 queen beds. This is the superior room, and the superior rooms actually the best views, and all the superior rooms actually are on the 30th floor. Okay, and so I was like, I don't care, it's two beds in one room. I wanted the view of the falls, and so I don't care, give it to me. My kids and I will be, usually we don't really have them in the same room with us because we just don't like that, but we want them to have their own space, and we have our own space. And as you can tell, it's kind of cold here because it's the New Year's, right? So let's go, let me show you exactly what we got. So usually, like I was saying, I don't really like for them to be in the same room as us, but this time we have to because I like the view. So the view surpasses everything. Okay, so there's gonna be their bed right here where their bed is gonna be, and then if you look here now, you're gonna hear some noises, and that is the fireworks. So they have TV, a little TV here, flat screen TV. There's gonna be me and my husband's bed, and then when you go out here like this, you see you see that level of lights. So this is Niagara Falls by night. Definitely it's right there. You see me in there because it's nighttime, and it goes right over there. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. And I see the fireworks. It seems like, do you guys see the fireworks at night? It's everywhere, and there are 2 different Marriotts around here, so just make sure that you are paying or you are asking for the Marriott that's overlooking the falls. Okay, and look at the traffic right there. That is traffic, yo. Look at all those cars. It's lit up in here. It's really lit. So sorry, but my stuff is in there. Look at that traffic right there. Yeah, this is Niagara Falls. If you come in here, you gotta get ready. And look at that fireworks, guys. I mean, this is amazing. Yes, we came at the right time. They are really nailing these fireworks, people. It's amazing. Look at all that smoke, y'all. Look at all that smoke. You can't really see the falls right now. The falls is right there, but because it's a little bit darker, we're gonna show you in the morning. But just enjoy these fireworks, and then we will show you the falls view in the morning.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard.
All right, guys. So let's go to the Milestone restaurant. Right on top here on the second floor, there's Milestone restaurant, and we are going to go and have dinner. So I can show you exactly what they got there, but I'm pretty sure it's very simple. We wanted to go to the Morton's Steakhouse, which is like 5 miles away from here, but we have to get our car from Ballet and bring it back. So we didn't want to do that, and so yeah, let's go.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down.
It's dinner time, guys. Dinner time. Dinner time.
This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more.
All right, so guys, so we got our menu. Our food is here, and guess what I got? Oh my God! So guys, so we are the Milestone restaurant inside of the Marriott on the Falls, and I got the surf and turf, and it looks really good. This is the filet mignon with lobster and the food looks so good. Everybody is jealous of my food. That's my husband's food. Hey, babe, what you got?
I got a smash burger.
Smash burger. My husband got a smash burger. So if you come here and you're feeling a little burgerish, there we go. Let me see that. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I see the cheese is melting. There we go. You got a kid's burger? Oh, it looks bigger for a kid's burger. Let me see. Can you pick it up? Let me see how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. All right. So, yep. And then for the drinks, I got a dragon fruit martini. If I can't speak, dragon fruit martini. It was a little bit sweet for me. So I ordered another one for them to add more alcohol, more vodka than that. But guys, say bon appetit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, bon appetit, baby.
No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no. Yeah. That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night. All in or nothing, not gonna stop. Dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation.